Welcome to my YouTube channel, Road Warriors. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about machines on the modern battlefield, the 2025 M142 HIMARS. If you're into power, precision, and performance, this is one system that deserves your attention. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love high-performance military gear, you're going to enjoy this one. So, what is the HIMARS? The M142 HIMARS stands for High Mobility Artillery Rocket System. It's a long-range, precision strike weapon mounted on a 6x6 tactical truck, designed to fire rockets and missiles while staying light and mobile. It's basically the military's version of a long-range sniper with wheels. The 2025 model brings in a wave of upgrades that make it smarter, faster, and deadlier than its predecessors. Let's talk firepower. The new HIMARS supports the latest PRSM, or Precision Strike Missile. These bad boys can reach targets over 500 kilometers away, a serious boost from older munitions. Whether it's soft targets or fortified enemy positions, this system brings high precision with minimal collateral damage. You can hit targets from so far away, the enemy won't even know what's coming. And when you add in the upgraded fire control system, we're talking pinpoint accuracy thanks to satellite links, drone coordination, and AI-assisted targeting. That means quicker reaction time and better decision-making under pressure. The vehicle itself is built for speed and survivability. It can shoot and scoot, meaning it fires its payload and relocates in under 4 minutes, minimizing the risk of return fire. The 2025 version now includes modular armor protection and active defense systems to intercept drone attacks and guided munitions. That gives it a layer of defense it didn't have before, making it harder to take out even when detected. From a design perspective, it's sleek and functional. The interior has received a massive digital overhaul. Gone are the clunky analog systems, in their place are touchscreen displays, smart diagnostics, and AI support for the crew. The launcher system itself has been redesigned for faster reloading and modular ammo changes. You can go from rockets to a single tactical missile with just a quick swap. That kind of versatility is a battlefield game-changer. But as with all great machines, the HIMARS has its drawbacks. It's not a frontline brawler like a tank. If you try to use it without air or ground support, you're taking a big risk. It relies heavily on tech, GPS, communications, drone feeds, and if those systems go down or get jammed, it could leave the unit blind. And of course, this level of technology doesn't come cheap. But when you compare the cost to the value it delivers in reach, precision, and survivability, it makes a strong case for itself. The 2025 M142 HIMARS isn't just a rocket truck, it's a high-speed, long-range, precision strike platform that reshapes how modern wars are fought. It's lean, lethal, and ALWA.